right. Today I have a Ford EcoSport, and I'm going to show you how to lay the rear seats down flat so you can have more cargo space in this vehicle. But before we get started, if you find my content helpful, can you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. As you can see, I am in the rear of the vehicle with the door open right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in here into the vehicle, and then I'm going to look at the top of the seats. I'm on this side right here. You're going to look for this. Do you see this button right here? This right here is going to release the seat. I'm going to go ahead and press it. You see it? I pressed it down, and then I'm able to lower the rear seat just like that. All right, it gets even better. I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to go right here, press this, and lower it. All right, just like that. All right, you see all that cargo space? And when I'm done, I'm going to take this, and put it back in place. Make sure you don't get the seat belt caught up in there, and then take the other one and do it until it clicks back into place and you don't see any more of that red. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.